Hello dear friends, welcome to the techt channel. In this video, I show how to change your data of birth on Instagram. So watch the video till the end. Also subscribe the channel. So let's go. Step 1. Open Instagram account. Click your profile and click menu. Click the account center and click personal details and click birthday. Okay, my birthday has 7 March and click the edit and change the birthday. Okay, for example, May 5. Okay, click your set and click save your birthday to set. Okay, confirm. Easy. My birthday changed. Please like the video and subscribe the channel Tag on Tech.